Hello, my name is Isaid Lozano Maldonado. I live in Barranca Bermeja, Santander. I am an electrician by profession. I graduated for SENA as technologist in industrial electric. I have studied a technical oil and gas production. I am current a student of electronic energy at the UNAV. The night that drives the forests and Amazon is the exploitation of the IMS wave. Since the 99, the protagonists, the deforestation, have been expansion of the lab for decay, rushing off for sorbing and palm oil plantations, timber extraction, mining activities, or agriculture speculates on the money occasions carry of illegally. Broadly Spain, the phenomenon makes the love desert contributes the Gulf warning and cause the loss of biodiversity. In order to choose deforestation, the contaminant of the rulers in the native to protect the environment to serve on contribution and cause happen thrive by choosing our rulers were training or surveillance and others above the damage that cause the environment by directly or directly support illegality, avoids products relapse the deforestation, support in the north people traditional continent growth like the of Amazon. That is the problem that causes the most anguish since directly impacts the environment and this affects us hard, mainly the now generations. Thank you.